Greetings, Earthlings. Mo the driver back in the house. We're at 316 Modern Mopar Summer BBQ. So I'm over here checking out the cars and making a short video for the folks. So we got Gen 2 SRT8 300. And we got the Titan Challenger. This is one of our club member, Todd. Everyone here is a club member, by the way. So, but this belongs to Todd McVeigh, one of our members. This car actually has a Hellcat swap. It is real fast. So, originally was a Scat Pack, 392. Just gonna walk around so you guys can kind of look at the cars. That's Craig, by the way, just so you know that. Scat 392. You guys have seen this one before, of course, right? My guy, Paul Walker, in there. Durango RT. Belongs to Rob Griffin, co-founder of the car club. It's like a dang car show over here. Like a dang car show, just for a barbecue. Here's all our folks over at the barbecue. We'll get to that later. We got Cade's Eep. We got the Eep in the house, right? So there's the Eep. Make sure we get the Eep in there. Yeah, look at that. All right, head over here. One of our newest members. It's one of our newest members' cars, Charger RT. It's pretty clean. Nice looking car, nice looking car. All right, let me head back over here. We got the Jinx. You guys know what this is. You guys know what this is. Yeah, already. We got 316 Modern Mopar stickers. Gotta love that. Car club. Got another RT Charger here. This is one of our newest members as well. Look at that plum crazy RT. That's what our club stickers look like. For anybody that hasn't seen those. Nice Go Mango Hellcat here. All right. Yeah, gotta represent. Got club decals everywhere. Nice Challenger here. Real nice, check that out. Club representation everywhere. Nice Charger RT here. This happens to be my wife's car. It's a Charger RT as well, black top edition. Got black everything. Except for this. We're gonna have to do something with that. Probably should black that out. This is nice right here. Daytona 5.7. Actually belongs to one of our members that's leaving, relocating. So it'll suck not to see this around. Check this out. Here we go. Look at that. Club representation real nice here. Right on the wicker bill for everybody to see. Oh, look at this. Real carbon fiber diffuser. It's not a wrap, it's real carbon fiber diffuser. Real expensive. This nice Challenger here. Some crazy Scat Pack shaker. Real nice. Real nice. I like that shaker on the seats. The shaker on the seats, see that? This Challenger, that's a nice color. Real nice color there. Nice color. That's Tracy. She actually drives the white Scat Charger that we saw a little while back. It's another nice Hellcat here. I can't remember what this color's called, but pretty nice. Pretty nice. This one is actually an M6 with the stick. Good old manual transmission. All right. I think that's everything. That's everything we got today. That's just mean, man. Just mean, super mean. Super clean, but super mean. All right. Well, that's all we got for today. It's our little barbecue. It's a little car show we got going on here. It's not a car show, for real, but it looks like a damn car show. Take you over and see the people. We got people that drive these cars. They don't drive themselves. We actually have people. Make sure I get video of all the people we got. Car club people. All right.
If there's something you want to see on the channel, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.